A single drop of rainwater clings to a clump of forest moss. In this microscopic ocean, suspended between fibers of green, lives a master of survival. This tardigrade moves with deliberate grace, 8 clawed legs navigating a forest invisible to the naked eye. Its translucent body reveals a pulsing internal world. Here, life is quiet, contained, and seemingly fragile. Yet this tranquil sanctuary is fleeting. As scorching sunlight penetrates the canopy, the water film begins to vanish. Evaporation pulls at the moss, draining the liquid atmosphere. The margin for error shrinks to 0. Racked by desiccation, this tardigrade loses its foothold. Its fluid pressure drops rapidly, and its outer cuticle begins to collapse inward. The microscopic world is turning into a wasteland. Escape is impossible, so this creature chooses a path beyond death. It pulls its 8 legs inside its body, curling into a tight, wrinkled barrel. This is the Tun state. Inside its cells, specialized proteins replace lost water, transforming its internal fluids into a protective biological glass. Metabolic activity plummets to less than 0.01%. Life stops, yet it does not die. Now, it endures conditions that would pulverize any other creature on Earth. Enclosed in its glass matrix, this tardigrade withstands temperatures near absolute 0. Radiation tears through the desiccated moss, but its DNA remains shielded by custom protective proteins. It floats through the void of a total vacuum, suspended in time. Decades can pass, yet the biological blueprint remains intact. Then, moisture returns. A single droplet of fresh rain touches the dried tun. Absorption begins instantly. Water floods the dormant tissues, dissolving the glass matrix without shattering cellular walls. Organelles reawaken as metabolic engines spark back to life. Uncurling its legs, this tardigrade stretches into the rehydrated world. Within minutes, it steps forward as if time had never paused. In a universe defined by decay, this microscopic titan proves that life is not easily extinguished. It survives the void, outlasts catastrophe, and rises again from absolute stillness. To understand this tiny traveler is to realize a profound truth. Life does not merely inhabit the cosmos, it endures it.